Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to do pre-orders on Shopify. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So as you can see right now, I'm in my product page, and you have to fill up this product information page. And to make this product as a pre-order, I'm going to adding a tag here, pre-order. And the same way I'm going to adding this text into my description. And now you can add your photo here, add price, and everything will be same as normal product. And inside of this inventory section, you need to enable this option, continue selling when out of stock, and then click on save. So this is how we can do pre-order on Shopify. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.